2019, 2% of Americans classed themselves as vegan. They'd cut out all animal products to live on a strictly plant-based diet. It's a number that's growing all the time. So what's the appeal? To be honest, many vegans like Miley Cyrus and Joaquin Phoenix are passionate about the welfare of animals. Imagine how many animals we could save if everyone turned vegan. But veganism isn't just about animal welfare. A plant-based diet is good for your health, too. Just ask former President Thomas Jefferson, who preferred a big plate of vegetables to meat and lived to the ripe old age of 83. Not bad for a 19th century gentleman whose life expectancy was much lower than it would be today. There's pros and cons to any diet, but dietitians argue that eating a wide range of foods is better for your health than cutting some foods out altogether. In the end, it's Mother Earth who would be happiest if everyone turned vegan. Factory farming of livestock for meat is seriously bad for the planet. Did you know that a single cow can produce up to 260 pounds of methane every year? A harmful greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. A vegan? Not so much. Critics of veganism, however, argue that eating fruit and vegetables shipped from the other side of the world is more harmful to the environment than buying meat from a local farm. Whatever your opinion on the pros and cons of eating a plant-based diet, veganism is here to stay. Avocado ice cream, anyone?